Sound setup. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has fiber optic cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. Please connect the AUX cable to the OEM AUX port. For CIC system, the GND cables should be disconnected from each other. If audio distortion occurs, connect the GND cables. AUX audio output mode. Step 1. If your mobile phone's Bluetooth is connected to the original vehicle's Bluetooth, please disconnect it. Step 2. Please turn off Use Car's BD channel option. Step 3. Please return to the main menu page. Please select Multimedia. Please select External Devices. Please select AUX Front. Please adjust the volume of AUX. It cannot be 0. Please leave the original vehicle system on this page. Please touch the screen to switch to the new system. Please turn on Carplay. Okay, now, you can play music. Troubleshooting.